To finance now, and interstate rivalry has come to a head with CommSec's quarterly State of the States report out today. And SBS Finance editor Ricardo Goncalves joins us now. Ricardo, tell us which state came out on top.
Janice, once again, the top state is New South Wales. CommSec analyses 8 economic indicators to come up with the rankings overall, and New South Wales came in first in the categories of population growth and retail trade, and it's now number 1 in dwelling starts, also number 2 in business investment. The Northern Territory fell to number 2 from its shared top billing with New South Wales last time, and Western Australia came in at number 3. It did come second strongest in a number of indicators, but last in unemployment. And in terms of the rest of the country, Victoria is coming in close, now at number 4, just behind Western Australia, while Tasmania remains at the bottom of the table.
What it's saying is that we have had a change in terms of leadership for economic growth. It's no longer the mining sector, it's very much the housing sector that's driving the New South Wales and Victorian economy to a significant extent compared with the other states and territories.
And superannuation funds have had a good start to the calendar year. Research company Chant West says the median growth fund has seen a near 6% return for the March quarter. And that means for the 9 months of the financial year to date, growth funds are up just over 11%. Well, an effort by China to ease banking rules to help boost lending in the country wasn't enough to lift our share market, which has started the trading week in the red today. BHP Billiton and Rio Tinto lost ground. ANZ was the only one of the big 4 banks to close higher. Miner Arium was the 200's biggest loser after it revealed it was losing money on every tonne of iron ore that it exported, and BlueScope Steel also declined as a result. In Japan, the Nikkei finished lower today. The Australian dollar is higher against the greenback ahead of Wednesday's inflation report, and it's weaker against the Kiwi, where New Zealand consumer price growth slowed for a second consecutive quarter. And on the commodity markets, both gold and oil are higher. And speaking of oil, the Singapore gas price, which is what determines what you pay at the petrol pump here, rose 11% last week, and CommSec says that means we may have to pay an extra $4.50 to fill up when that flows through in the next few weeks. Janice and Anton?
Thanks very much, Ricardo.